Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Facebook page safe and positive, sometimes you need to block certain users. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add someone to your blocked list on your Facebook page using your PC, all with the latest Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your browser and log in to your account. Once you're on your main feed, look to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with all your pages. From here, select the page where you want to block someone. Now, you'll see your page's profile photo at the top. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to your page's main dashboard. Next, look for the menu on the left side and find the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it and then select Settings from the expanded menu. This will open up all the settings you can manage for your page. Scroll down until you see the blocking section. Click on Blocking, and then you'll notice an Edit button. Click on that to manage your blocked users list. Now you'll see an option that says Add Users to Blocked List. Click on it, and a search bar will appear. Type in the name of the user you want to block. Once their profile pops up, click on Block next to their name. A confirmation window will appear, asking if you're sure you want to block this user. Double-check that you've selected the right person, then click Confirm. And that's it! You've successfully added a user to your blocked list on your Facebook page. Blocking someone means they won't be able to interact with your page or see your posts, helping you maintain a safe and welcoming community. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.